How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the fastest way on how you can find a mushroom island biome on Minecraft. Now, don't worry, because if you follow this method, you will be able to still unlock achievements on your world. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the world where you want to look for the mushroom biome. And then you can just click on the recreate button. But if you're using something like the Bedrock edition, you can just duplicate it. And in my case, I'm going to simply recreate the world right here. So in that way, the original world will still count as the non-cheated version. Now, once inside your world, you simply want to open up the coordinates. Now, I believe on Java, it's basically going to be F3. You can just press F3 and then we can see our coordinates on this specific area right here. So we have our block, which is going to be minus 46 as of the moment, 67 and 34. Now you want to remember these things because we are going to use the coordinates in order to locate the mushroom biome. Now, from here, you can just exit out of the coordinate section. And then you want to type the following command. So you want to press the T on your keyboard and then type for dash locate. And then you want to type the following, which is going to be biome. And then it's going to be exactly locate biome space mushroom or Minecraft mushroom underscore fields. So in here, you can just hit on enter. And then it will exactly show the coordinates of the mushroom island. So in our case, it's going to be 1556, 67, and then 1026. You can then remember those coordinates and basically just follow along and then head over back to your own original world where you didn't enable cheats, and basically from there you're good to go. But if you don't want to totally enable cheats and find it on yourself, the way to go ahead and find this is basically head over to the ocean biome, and from there the mushroom island will spawn to the deepest part of ocean that you want or that you are going to look for. So just head over to the deepest part of the ocean right here, and from there you might have a chance on spotting the mushroom biome. But of course, it's going to be rare because Minecraft Worlds is totally random, and you can just do these steps right here in order to find it easily. Let's just head over back to our original world, and from there we are good to go. Or if you don't really care at all, you can just use an additional command, which is going to be teleporting. Now to do that, you just want to type this specific command, which is going to be dash tp at s, and then you want to type the coordinates. So in my case, it's going to be 1556 space 67 space 1026. Hit on enter, and then it will teleport you to that exact area where we have located the mushroom biome. And basically from there, we are now inside. As I have mentioned earlier, it's going to be on the middle of ocean, so it's going to be rare, or it's going to be really hard finding the mushroom biome right here. But basically that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.